reason why Intia call former Kotoko coach, Wakochi Kotoko pen between 2019 thereabouts. Siki Ackonnor, as I have a picture of him saying, Kotoko Jumaya, the Ekika is season baby, yeah, and I say if Karim Zito gets the second possible replacement, a bit to me, I Siki Ackonnor because Komodiena Asha see Fra Bruchiribano. Some members of Kumasi Asante Kotoko top hierarchy ne hu ne say broni coach emwa Kotoko enti sa broni coach emwa Kotoko a omo de omo wo CK Ackonnor mu gidie say so far say wabeye bi pen na wode Kotoko abo Africa krana to the point of Kotoko getting to the group stages obekai Kotoko ne Manungu Rangers Kotoko ne Cotton Sports mu nyina no na CK Ackonnor and na in charge abra Kotoko participating in Africa. Eti omuhu ni say CK Ackonnor oye Ghana ni no yemfa adwuma no emma no in case say tembia me kasa me say in case say sa Kotoko eni Zito papa mu a eno ene nkomo foforo aba apparently empanyefo ni bi de omuhu ni say Kotoko be hia broni na emom no emu asa ache say broni coach enye obi a wode Kotoko league broni coach enye obi a wode Kotoko ekọ Africa ekọbọ hu modern enti se ombe follow history sa asema eda ho say every decision you take must be guided by history so omo de ye adwuma history no em favor broni coach history ni em favor broni coach enti some section of the Kotoko hierarchy including some top supporters of the club emma Kumasi Asante Kotoko management say ka broni beba de enka omofa omoyonko Ghana ni a ye friend CK Ackonnor nemom no ma me fa nemom so nhya ho because nemom kese pa CK Ackonnor ze no oji ni sika kese bi ewo go mahia ewo Kenya Premier League they are among the top contenders for this year Kenya League former Kotoko player Enoch Morris me no ka say hona owo na no kra no CK Ackonnor the captain amba no ma no e ma ne captain team inti sa report we no meme de ebeba ba me hu ni say ebetima materialize sa because coach no aye coach o ba bi sa be kwa kofa na Kotoko nso ni ye ni sika na nsen inti meme de asese say no broni no ene lead because broni ne da hokwa broni ne coach African Vipers no coach Yanga no coach Amarek ba zero otifie inti broni na agreement ne de eno ye far ahead than CK de na CK currently go mahia no update fufuru bi abaya erebebro